What's up, it's Vince Delmonte here, and we are going through the Living Large book program today. We've got a brand new workout out of phase 2, the shoulder and arm muscle damage day. This workout is dedicated to creating micro trauma within your muscles. As you likely know by now, there's 3 triggers of muscle growth. All right, we can go heavy, that's called mechanical tension. We can go high volume, that's metabolic stress. Or we can create muscle damage. Muscle damage is when we apply a new stress to our body. It could be like a really slow negative. It could be loading the stretch position of an exercise, a new angle. You know you've created muscle damage when you're super sore the next day. So you're like, why am I so sore? It's because you've torn muscle fibers, and when you tear muscle fibers, you release inflammation into your body. And that inflammation is a threat to your brain. Your brain basically says, holy cow, what have you put in our body? We don't want to die. We don't want to experience this threat again. And that's how your muscles grow back bigger. All right, so we're going to apply a new stress to our body. We're going to be applying slow negatives. For today's workout, we've just got 3 exercises. Exercise 1 here are L lateral raises. What you're gonna see me doing here is starting off with my hands at 90 degrees, going up where the shoulders are strongest. We're gonna work with an advantage here, then we're gonna go to a disadvantaged state, and we're gonna fight the negative, okay? We're gonna take that weight further from our body. That's gonna make the negative portion extra hard, and we're gonna load it for 8 seconds, okay? That's 1 rep, and then you're gonna do 6 reps. One of the first things we wanna think about is locking everything down so our abdominals are engaged, so we don't have any motion at the trunk. Now, on the way down, we want to keep our arms long. Think of your muscles like brakes, and that's the analogy I'm going to give you for this entire series of damage workouts we're going to be going through. Just think of your muscles like a brake system in a car, and they're preventing joint structures from crashing into each other, and they're going to ensure that you get to your destination safely. If you're someone like me who really needs to bring up their shoulders, this exercise is really good for giving you those side delts, for making you look wider. This next exercise, these are the machine curls. All right, now what we want to do here, guys, is we want to ensure, again, we're locked down. We come up strong, still contracting the working muscle, and then at the top, you're going to let go of the non-working hand, and you're going to let that working arm now just take the weight on the way down. The last couple sets, your muscles are really going to be shaking. You might even feel like you're sore before the workout's even over. All right, again, this is just because you're challenging your muscles in a way they haven't been challenged before. You're going to be ripping a lot of muscle tissue. You're going to be creating a lot of micro tears. You're going to be producing a lot of inflammation. So be prepared to be sore from this workout. On the third exercise, we're gonna do 2 arm tricep extensions. Go down with both arms, and then you're gonna come up with 1 arm. So you're gonna have to really engage that muscle to fight back, all right? And that's how your muscles are gonna grow, because we're creating that micro trauma within them. You're gonna create that inflammation, and it's gonna tell your brain, can you please build more muscle for us? Because we don't wanna experience this soreness again. And you just wanna start getting familiar with what that feels like at different points on the way up. You're like, oh man, it gets really hard as I start getting near the back. Okay, that's where I need to really mentally turn on. After the main focus of our workout, shoulders and arms, we're now gonna move on to some touch-up sets for chest and back. That way, every body part gets hit twice in the week. We're gonna go on the pec deck here. We're gonna do 8 to 10 reps. Just really squeeze through the full range of motion. Don't lose the tension on the way back. We're not trying to be a hero here and going crazy heavy. We're just trying to stimulate that muscle a little extra so it gets that protein synthesis stimulus, so that that muscle fiber keeps turning over, and we keep ensuring that it's not degressing, that it's at least maintaining, if not even making a little progress. That's one of the reasons we have these touch-up sets in the week, all right? So that those muscles keep getting stimulated and can keep making progress. It also helps with recovery too. Then we're gonna move on to the dumbbell pullover, 8 to 10 reps, 2 sets. Big cue here is to keep your abs locked down. And when you've got that dumbbell in your hands, don't think about the dumbbell going down, but think about it going back. Think about it going to the wall behind you, and that's gonna create a nice big stretch on your lats. And if you've got your abdominals engaged, that's gonna prevent any trunk motion, which is gonna take away from the stretch, which is gonna produce that muscle damage, which is gonna create that muscle growth that we're looking for. So that's one of 21 workouts, a part of my Living Large book program. Guys, if you want me to send you this book to your front door, all you gotta do is click the link in the description or the link on the screen. I'll ship it to you. My publisher gave me 1,000 copies. I'd love to give you one. If muscle is your goal, your primary focus is adding muscle mass. Now, your head is all in it. You're ready to get bigger. This book is for you, all right? Check it out. I'll send it to you. And the workout we went through today will get organized into this 30-week program, okay? Because that's one of 21 workouts. And they're all in here, laid out step by step. All you need to do is just follow it one page at a time, one workout at a time, one day at a time. And that's how you guys build your best body. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you guys want to see in upcoming videos in the comment section below. Be sure to thumbs up this video, share it with another friend who's trying to gain some muscle mass, and I'll see you next time.